Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get Naruto Family Vacation in your iPhone device. So follow me to get Naruto Family Vacation in your device. So as you can see, the game is running perfectly fine without any problems, and here is installed. I'm gonna delete the game just to show you step by step how I got it. So you need to follow just some simple steps. First of all, guys, to get the Naruto Family Vacation, you need to go in this website that is called cu.gq, and here in the search bar you can type Naruto, or if you want another game you can do and search it, and you can tap it, and as you can see, my device is compatible. Probably and yours is going to be compatible, and I'm going to proceed with the download. In some countries, for example, you need to complete some verification or some captcha, but it depends on your country. In my country that is not necessary, so what I need to do is just to wait the downloader to finish, and after that you can jump directly in the home screen and wait a little bit till the Naruto Family Vacation is going to install in your device. Probably in some devices might take longer, in some others a little bit faster, but if you follow the steps correctly, you're gonna see that the Naruto Family Adventure is going to be installed. So as you saw, installed, and I'm gonna open it. We are in the intro part here. Everything works to be fine, and as you can see, we are in the main menu here. We can start the game, try to start it. Okay, and everything works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.